Hey Rob, how are you? Leo here. Appreciate you taking the call today. Give me the email so I can get this video sent out to you. My name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. I wanted to shoot over this quick video with tips and tricks that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google business profile. I appreciate some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Now, as you can see, this is your website I have pulled up here. Beautiful website. Love the logos. Very simplistic. It's easy to put on business cards, shirts, your vehicle, anything. Love the photos, the family. Gives you a family vibe. It really does. Having all these photos, things in here, beautiful houses. It's a very nice laid out site. But what I would suggest, one of my biggest suggestions would be add more content. Google loves command content. They want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located, what services you offer. Another good thing to do is save these photos or videos as keywords as well, because it is considered content in Google's eyes. Home remodeling, contractor, Lexington, Kentucky, back construction. I'd back it down to remodeling, Lexington, Kentucky, roofing, Lexington, Kentucky, roof repair, Lexington, Kentucky, something with your service and the location. Another thing I would suggest is to have this call to action button working where someone could click to call. A big portion of people that are searching are on their phone. And instead of having to long press this and copy it and put it in the phone, you can just come right here and click this button and they can get right in touch with you. I do like that you got to get the quote up here at the top. You're on the right path there. Just change that to a call to action button. That way people on cell phones or even on their laptop can click on it and get a call straight through. Now, what I've done is put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. Now, this is the UR and the DR, which is the strength trust of your site with Google. And this is on a scale of 100, and you want to keep these balanced if possible and moving up continuously. So you got 1,400 backlinks and 434 referring domains. So implementing some of these tips will help boost these numbers as well. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the backlink, it is a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal. There are some that are more spammy and some that's more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that are more authoritative and relevant to the industry and that's local to you. As of right now, you have 958 keywords that you're indexing for, and it's driving 903 people to your site. This is acting like a lead generating tool, so it gives you a higher ROI. So you're on the right path there. Bathroom remodel, Lexington, Kentucky, that is the service and the location. You was number one there. You're down to number two now. It's not bad at all. Remodeling contractors is a national keyword. It's not specific to your area. Bathroom remodeling, bathroom remodel are two completely different keyword phrases, and it's pulling you 600 searches a month. And if you're on the first page, you're going to get the biggest portion of those searches. Now, what I've done here is put in roofers, Lexington, Kentucky. And as you can see up here at the top is usually the Google ads, and it's the paid for ads, Google ads, local ads, things like that. It's a good way to get business quickly, but once you stop paying for those ads, you're going off the front page of that website. So that's the importance of ranking in this map pack and organically. Now the map pack here, you see down here, there's only room for 3 people, and these are usually the people that's got a lot of content, a lot of citations, things like that. Now you're not in this area right now, that's fine, because there's several ways to get there. You want to make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the same exact all across the internet. You definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to fill out. And don't forget to put those keywords in that as well, because you will be searched for those. Posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly really helps you rank organically. and adding citations. And the citation is your business name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yext, White Pages, because at the end of the day, Google's like a big popularity contest, honestly. So giving out your information to as many directories as possible will make Google start to trust you more, and that will boost your business not only in your area, but it'll start leaking out into the surrounding areas as well. Now, being in this map pack will give you 30 to 40% of the traffic that goes to your website, and then they'll give you a call from there. The importance of that call to action button at the top of your site. Now, we go down here to the organics. This is the organics down here where you should get 60 to 70% of your business. Bone Dry is the #1 competitor down there in the organic. So if we go to their site, you can see that they don't have a lot of content here on their site either. I do not like this at all. It's wonky. It gets in your way. If you know these people, I'm sorry. But it's just like you can't read or see what you're doing because of this menu's in the way. But I'm not here to trash anybody. I just want to kind of make this as a comparison to show you that they don't have a lot of content. So by implementing having more content on your site, more than theirs, you'll start to outrank them while adding keywords and backlinks in there and such too. So looking at a few different keywords, you go back over to my tool. You can see there are these keywords right here: roofing companies, Lexington, Kentucky. And these are the big money jobs: a full re-roof, a tear off, especially if they need decking and things like that. And then gutters come along with it as well. You know, I try to get these words targeted here because it's not only going to bring in more money, but then it trickles into other things: gutters, windows, doors, siding, inside work. You know, you lay a good roof and those customers will love you forever, and they'll have you come back and do everything. So just roofing companies, Lexington, Kentucky is a KD of 5 with 800 volume. Roofing contractors, Lexington, Kentucky, 350. Roofers and roofing is 2 completely different things, just like I showed you on yours at 600. So just 5 of these keywords up here is pulling in an extra 2,000 visits or volume a month. And then if you're on that first page, you get a percentage of those visits. You turn those visits into customers. So you can see there's a decent amount of volume here. So once you start ranking, the big percentage of that is going to come to you. So I definitely hope this video was helpful, Rob. Again, I appreciate hearing some feedback and thoughts. I appreciate your time. If you got any questions, comments, or concern, feel free to reach out to me. I can be a resource for you if needed. Have a great day, Rob.